The Sony Xperia 5V is an intriguing premium compact phone that offers strong performance, great battery life, and excellent audio and camera capabilities, but it comes with some trade-offs. The Xperia 5V is designed to be a compact flagship, ideal for one-handed use. Its dimensions are slim and ergonomic, staying true to the Xperia 5 series tradition. It features a flat front and back with slightly rounded edges, giving it a clean and modern look. The minimalist design is free from unnecessary distractions. The phone uses a metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back, ensuring durability and a premium feel. The Xperia 5V has an IP65/IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. This ensures it can withstand daily wear and tear and even accidental splashes or submersion. The Sony Xperia 5V features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of Full HD+, 2520 by 1080 pixels. It uses Sony's Triluminos technology, which enhances color reproduction, and supports HDR content for improved contrast and vibrant visuals. The display has a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and gaming experiences, and a 21:9 aspect ratio, which is ideal for cinematic content. It is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making it resistant to scratches and drops. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the Xperia 5V delivers excellent performance across everyday tasks and demanding applications. However, under prolonged heavy workloads, it is prone to thermal throttling, which might slightly impact performance during extended gaming or intensive use. 8GB LPDDR5X RAM and 128GB UFS 4.0 storage. The RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the fast storage enhances app loading and data transfer speeds. 48MP XMR-T with dual-layer transistor pixel technology for enhanced light sensitivity and detail. 12MP ultra-wide sensor offering a wide field of view for landscapes or group shots. 12MP sensor ideal for selfies and video calls, with features like HDR and 4K video recording. 5000 mAh with 30W fast charging and wireless charging. Battery life is a strong point, thanks to the power efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Android 13 with Sony's lightweight interface, focusing on a clean and bloatware-free experience. Pros: exceptional camera quality for both photos and videos. Strong audio performance with stereo speakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Expandable storage via microSD card and Android 13 with a clean UI. Cons: premium pricing. No bundle charger in the box. Only 128GB of internal storage, which may be limiting for some. Conclusion: the Xperia 5V is a great choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful smartphone with professional-grade photography and excellent design. Its price and minor shortcomings, such as limited storage, might make it less appealing compared to competitors like the Galaxy S23 or Asus Zenfone 10, which offer similar performance at lower prices.